To sync your HeathZenith wireless doorbell system, please follow these quick and easy steps. First, remove the battery from the wireless push button. To remove the CR2032 battery, push on the metal tab until the battery pops out. For the A23 battery, simply pull the battery from the contacts. Leave the battery out for 30 seconds. Reinstall the battery and press and hold the push button for 12 seconds. Go to your chime and locate the sync button, which will vary by model. Hold the sync button until it beeps twice, then let go. Quickly press the push button and the chime will beep twice again. Press the push button to confirm the chime and the push button are synced. If the chime sounds, the sync is complete.